part of the project where we're doing reinforcement learning with GRPO, which is nothing but like using a reasoning model. So the data set is like it has problems and the answers are generally like generated by LLM. So as we already discussed in the previous Unsloth assignments, the installation, everything is gonna be the same. Uh, so this is all of the installation that we did, and then this is where we're doing the sanity check for the GPU, and then this is where we're doing the Hugging Face login. I don't think we need it here, so just skip that. And then after that, this is the model that we're going to be using, small LLM2 135M instruct. We've been using the same model from like, I mean, for all of the Unsloth assignments, as professor mentioned. And then after that, we have max length, and I mean all of these other variables that we are setting. And then the model tokenizer, we're setting all of these values here. And then here we'll be using GSM 8K. So they're like problems with numeric final answers. So we have reasoning and the answer. So this is how we're expecting the prompt to be. And then we're doing the training testing, everything, training testing like part here. So you can see one of the questions like Ahmed is 11 years old and Ford is 26. In how many years will Ford's age be double of Ahmed's current age? So that is the like we have all of this is the answer part, and this is all of the mathematical thing. So the final answer would be 4 years. So yeah, this is all about that, and the final expected answer is 4, as previously discussed. So this is how we're expecting it. So let's see. So the first thing is like we are doing the we're setting up a few functions for the compilation. Extract answer, question from messages, reward function, and then this is where we're doing the LoRa adapters for the GRPO on the 4-bit base. And then these are the target modules, and then this is where we're doing the training part. So setting a few parameters that we previously defined, and then so we are doing the same GRPO configure here, and then we're using the GRPO trainer. So the training, it took around I don't remember, but I think it took around 50-60 minutes, I would say, like almost an hour for this training. So yeah, this is where we're merging and like saving the model. And then this is the prompt that we are expecting, everything else, and then we have a few functions: extract answer, and then compute expected bill message. So this is how we're expecting the output. So let's see, if 3 pence, this is an example sum. If 3 pence cost $6, how many do 7 pence cost? So if you see, if 3 pence unit cost is $2, and then the new total will be 7 into 2, that is nothing but 14. 14 is the expected answer, and then that is what we get here. And then the second the second question is: the train travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours. How long for 300 kilometers? So it's gonna check in like 1 hour how much time 1 hour how many kilometers it's gonna cover, and then it's gonna divide that. It's gonna divide whatever is required by hourly, so 5. So we do get the reply as 5, and then this is the reasoning over here, and this was the reasoning for this. So that is how we're expecting the answers to be. So yeah, this is about the reinforcement learning with the reasoning model, and with like numeric expected answers data set. Thank you.